Two little buses, one up on repeat. Three little buses zooming by so fast. Four little buses, here they come at last. Choo-choo, zoom, zoom. All the buses go vroom, vroom. Five little buses all in a row. Six little buses, where will they go? Seven little buses honking on their way. Eight little buses, bright and gay. Honk, honk, beep, beep, beep. Buses zooming, so much to see. Nine little buses turning at the light. 10 little buses all in sight. So many buses, can you count them too? Let's all count together. 1, 2, 3, and woohoo! Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. 10 little buses, what a fun trick to keep. This version keeps the rhythm lively, making it easy for kids to sing along while learning to count.
Buzz, 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 the bumblebee flies up in the air beneath the blue skies, flitting around from flower to flower, busy all day, working each hour. Buzz, 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 it's time to go flying away, nice and slow, back to its home on the bright green tree, buzzing and humming so happily. Buzz, buzz.
The rain is falling, drip, drop, drip. Little puddles form and skip. Splish, splash, the water's deep. In the puddles we'll jump and leap. The rain is falling, soft and slow, washing the flowers, making them grow. After the